Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states, "We would perform the prayer in the lead of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, Salutation be upon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, salutation be upon so and so. One day Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is Himself Salam, the bestower of peace. So whenever any one of you sits in the prayer, he should say, Translation, all oral adorations and physical and financial acts of worship are due to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. O Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, salutation be upon you as well as Allah's blessings and mercies. Salutation be upon as well as on the upright bondsmen of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. So when the prayer performer utters this statement, Allah ibadillahi salihin, his salutation will reach each pious bondsman of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, whether he is in the heaven or in the earth. He should then say, Testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and I testify that Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is his bondsman and his apostle. He then may recite any supplication he pleases. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 895.